I'll show you in this video I'll show you how you can run a simple three-phase circuit in Simulink. So I'm opening Simulink and create model. This is our blank model. Okay, I'm browsing library for creating our simple circuit. It is circuit three-phase. We have to go Simscape, then electrical, and for voltage source or any kind of source, we have to go sources and then voltage source three-phase. Okay, and for taking RLC load, we have to go passive and then RLC assemblies, and here I'm taking RLC three-phase. Here voltage source has values. I'm not changing this, and here RLC component structure, any kind of structure you may choose. Here I'm taking only R and changing values like 120 ohm. Okay, so that's all. Voltage source and load. Okay, now we have to put references, connector and references, and here electrical references. You have to connect it here, and here for three-phase we have to choose grounded neutral three-phase. Okay, and here we need a solver configuration block. Sorry, here we need a solver configuration block. Here solver configuration block, I'm connected it here. Now we want to measure voltage and current. For this simple circuit, for measuring voltage or current, we have to go sensor and transducer. For measuring voltage and current in three-phase, there is a block named current and voltage sensor three-phase. I'm taking this and I'm removing this branch and placing it here. Okay, now here you may measure voltage type face to face or face to ground voltage. I'm taking face to face voltage. Here output checking now. Here output of current and voltage sensor is physical signal. Okay, now we need a block which will convert physical signal to electrical signal, and we'll find it under Simscape utilities and physical to Simulink converter. Okay, we need two blocks for voltage and current. Now we need a scope to observe the wave shapes. This is voltage wave shape and this is current wave shape. This is voltage and this is okay. So circuit is okay. The circuit containing voltage source and three-phase load, and we are measuring voltage and current. Here we have to here the frequency of the voltage source is 60 Hz, so we may choose stop time like 0.2 seconds. Okay, it will give us more clearer it will give more clear output to us. Here this is voltage wave shape. You can see this is voltage wave shape, and you can measure anything like cursor measurement or signal statistics. It will show here max, mean, peak to peak, mean value, and so on. And this is current wave shape. Okay, so that's all for today for running or simulating a simple three-phase circuit in Simulink. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.